Building an AI agent that can truly understand enterprise data within business context requires more than just a connection to a database. It requires a bridge to a governed semantic layer. Today, we're exploring how to create that bridge using the Agent Development Kit and the Model Context Protocol. Our goal is to move away from agents that write fragile raw SQL and toward agents that interact directly with the data model that is defined by natural language. By leveraging Looker's centralized modeling and governance, we ensure that every piece of information our agent retrieves is grounded in a validated source of truth. At the heart of this integration is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of MCP as a universal language that allows our agent to discover and invoke capabilities within Looker. When we build agents, we're creating an environment where the agent doesn't need to know how to make a complex API call. Instead, it sees a standardized set of tools. Because these tools are mapped directly to Looker's modeling layer, an agent built with these tools can fetch metadata, explore models, and run queries while respecting the dimensions, measures, and access filters that are already defined in LookML. This architecture keeps business logic with Looker and execution with agents. To facilitate this connection, we use the MCP toolbox for databases. The toolbox is a production-ready, open-source resource designed specifically to expose data sources as MCP tools. The toolbox includes a pre-built Looker toolset, which acts as a library of capabilities for your agent. Instead of writing custom integration code for every new project, you simply point your agent at the toolbox. It immediately inherits the ability to perform complex tasks, from auditing LookML project files to executing governed queries. The toolbox handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to scale your agentic systems without reinventing the integration layer every time. You can even specify what tools you want available to an agent, so agents can be specified for different uses. At the center of this is Looker, with LookML modeling and centralizing the business logic and establishing a governed source of truth. Then, connecting this to the AI is the transport layer, powered by the Model Context Protocol and the GenAI toolbox. This layer functions as a universal translator, exposing Looker's internal functions, like metadata retrieval or query execution, all as standardized, discoverable tools defined in a tools.yaml configuration. Finally, the application layer utilizes the Google Agent Development Kit to orchestrate the LLM and agents. In this flow, an LLM is configured with ADK to discover tools via MCP, and it calls those tools to interact with Looker's governed environment to perform grounded reasoning to execute technical tasks like LookML refinement or data analysis. The Agent Developer Kit also allows you to use any model of your choice, making this framework very flexible with customizable agents and a powerful MCP toolbox and the strength of the model data with Looker. This modular approach ensures that your agents remain grounded and governed. Because the MCP bridge stays in sync with your Looker instance, any changes that you make to LookML are reflected in the agent's context. This extends data beyond a dashboard and makes it available to agentic applications. Learn more about how these tools work together in the article linked below. This powerful combination will transform how you use Looker with your agentic development. Thanks for tuning in. Chat soon.